Good morning, guys. Hi with my new style. I forgot the English also. The same. Today, first semester, I made how's it going my 1 week in school. I will do part 2. I ate something. I had a breakfast. I'm preparing and I will go to my university. Last semester I had a 3 class, but this semester I have a 4 class. Every day I have a class and every morning I have to go. Generally I'm using my bicycle. So let's go. How is it going my life? Yes, we are going to university with my friend. She's taking me. Yes, I arrived at university. I'm trying to catch my class and a little bit I late the class. This is my class. And now I'm in the class now and we are waiting the teacher. After that, I don't know what will be do, but I will show you to my class and you will see. The class, but we have exams about practice. I don't know what will we do. We will see. Tuesday. I had an exam. I didn't record video. Wednesday. Good morning, guys. I'm leaving because I'm late in the class. I can't speak not too much, but I will show you, and I can when I arrive to my class. I will tell you something and let's go. My bicycle and my class. I looked my bicycle almost every day. I'm coming here and I'm looking my bicycle. Now let's go my school. Today I have one lesson, but one is practice, one is theory. I'm entering the theory class. Second class will be theory class. So I will enter and I will show you. Yes. Empty. They are talking about what will we do after the class because the teacher didn't come to class. So they are talking. We are waiting. I don't know what will we do. Probably we will come back house. Yes. Teacher come to the class and she is talking about the class. Yes, we finished the class and we are going to cafeteria. I guess we will drink something. We are waiting in the line of cafeteria. I ordered manchado. They are saying there's a manchado. Now after the drinking something, we are playing Uno. Venga, Marilia, juega. ¿Nani?
Empezamos bien, ha vuelto para renacer.
Guys, now I'm going to my house after that because I have a class. Now I'm taking my bicycle. We played Uno and I like it. Actually, it was good. Thursday. Good morning, guys. Now I'm preparing breakfast. Actually, I'm preparing sandwich or tostado like this because in Spain it's different. Toast and sandwich almost same. I will preparing and after that I will go to my class. 3 days I have a class 8:30. Also it's too very early for me. Yesterday I slept around 2 a.m. because of I was editing something. So I will preparing and after that I will go. I'm using guacamole and I like the guacamole with this bread. We'll put also queso, pavo, turkey meat. After that I will put inside olive. Yes, it's ready. I'm putting the toast machine. Yeah, bismillah. Oh, half. Oh, I will take and let's go. Love the bicycle. Oh, let's go. Yes. Kimse yok. There isn't anybody. So in this class there isn't any person. So I asked them friends. They say that there isn't any theoretical class. So just it will be practical class. Now we are going to drink coffee because we didn't wake up exactly. So let's go. This is the university view. Yes. Now I'm drinking coffee. She's drinking oro naranja y panderilla que cambia bread.
Sì,
Solo
sì, sì.
Vale. I finished my coffee and I want to show you my university garden. We came to class. We are waiting. We will wait 20 minutes. And I don't want to wait actually. Javier, what are you thinking? ¿Qué piensas? ¿Qué piensas de esperar aquí?
Cioè, a me mi gusta, ma che?
¿Qué te gusta?
Todo estar aquí. No.
No.
Sí, pero me gusta la universidad de aquí.
Vale, pero esperemos aquí una hora. ¿Qué piensas tú?
Yo pensaba en esta hora de la presentación de la otra hora
Sí,
que tengo.
esta última semana y quiero grabar video. I want to record video because next week I won't record video. Esto es posible para mí mejor. Vale. They are doing presentation. I made my work with my work 1 month ago, and I will watch my presentation also. Today is not important things actually. We research about education inclusiva. My friends will presentation in result. So I will show you.
Bueno, ahora somos en el aula y vamos a presentar los resultados de nuestro trabajo de investigación. El tema era la educación inclusiva en distintos países, Italia, España y Turquía. Pues bien, en cuanto al término inclusión, hemos encontrado unas diferencias.
We finished the class. Many people present this presentation, and now I'm going to my house because this morning it was very hard for me also. Wake up and preparing something. Now I will calm. Okay, so today it was done. It's finished. We will see again. Tomorrow probably we will be inside swimming pool, and see you later tomorrow. Now I'm the Erasmus coordinator in here. She is always helping me, and when I need something, she is helping me. I'm visiting her. Asked her, do you want to say something? And she said yes, of course. She will say something, and then we will see my Erasmus coordinator. How is it going when you come to Spain, especially in Cadiz Education Faculty? Hola, Cristina.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Hello.
Hello.
My name is Cristina Rodriguez, and I'm the institutional coordinator of the Faculty of Education. So I'm the person who you will meet when you come to our faculty. So the University of Cadiz and the Faculty of Education is a very interesting place to come and study. You can study early education, primary education, psychology, and also sports in our university. So you are welcome to come to our university.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Friday.
Good morning, guys. And today we will go to do my class. In 3 days when I woke up 7:30. It's too hot for the preparing. Also yesterday I slept a little bit late, so you can see my eyes. I'm eating something. After that I will go to my class. Now I locked my bicycle. Now I'm going to the faculty. I entered the swimming pool. Now I will change my clothes. After that I will enter the swimming pool. There, that's it. I'm ready. I don't know, I'm feeling I'm feeling it a little bit different, but I'm okay. Now I will show you the finished the class, I spoke also about the exams, and professor said me, okay, I can prepare for you in English version. If you are wondering something, write the comment things and I will respond. I will be there. 1 week is like this, and this is the last 1 week for me because 15 days later I have an exam. I have to study also. Please subscribe, comment, like. See you later other videos and hasta luego.